First video on Crowd City. So this game is about like you start as one person and then you just get bigger and bigger by gathering other people. You might know this game. So let's play. But okay, get that person. I played one round earlier. And now it's the first place. Don't. Oh, I'm the king. I'm gonna get ya. Yes. Get this, get that, get everything that has no hat. Yay! It's you! I killed Electric Saturn. I'm gonna kill all these elves. Ooh, where are they? Yes, got him. Get him! I won! Woo! There was only Bug Blitz and Upper Ducker. No, I don't like that ad. No, I don't want to eat them. Loading. Loading. Okay. 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 I'm getting new skins. You know what? I'm gonna change my skin. I'm gonna be this one because it looks. Oh, come on. Select. This looks like a Bulbasaur. No. No. Stop eating me. I'm the king. No! No! Oh man. No. Okay. with my soul. Get you, gonna kill you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ate this guy, I think he's over here. 10's left. No! Well, at least I was second. Touch to continue. X. Loading. Loading is loading is loading. You know what? I want to be bigger. So I'm gonna watch an ad to be a bigger crowd. I'm gonna start as 10. Fine. Actually, one time I used to play this, and one time I got 1,000. But that was when I played on my father's phone. Now I'm using my tablet. And yesterday I accidentally hit myself with a pen. Now I have a little tattoo. Well, it's not really a tattoo. And also, guys, you know what? I'm gonna end the video right here. Gonna stop playing it. But I have something in my Singing Monsters that I need you guys to see. Only people who play wait, no, I think I don't care about what I'm gonna say. I don't care about it. That I don't even want to say it because I don't know what it is. I didn't even know. Yes, I have breeded a sugar bush egg, and also I arranged my monsters more. But I don't know where I'm gonna put my sugar bush. Maybe right next to Ma, or in between Ma and Rock. It's gonna take 1 hour. It's gonna take 33 diamonds. And I don't even have that much. Dandicorn hasn't found. This is how you do it. Some of them are just echoes. You know what? I'm gonna sell some of them. One pencil is enough. Okay, this just turned from a Crab City video to a sugar bush, and if dandicorn had a sound. Okay, this is a weird video, so bye.